Find the value of each of the following polynomials at the indicated value of variables. Here you have a polynomial px that is equal to 5x squared minus 3x plus 7, and you have to find the value of this polynomial at x is equal to 1. So at x is equal to 1 means that you have to put, you have to put 1 at the place of x. So p1 is equal to 5 1 squared minus 3 1 plus 7. So from here you get 5 minus 3 plus 7. 5 minus 3 is 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, right? At y is equal to 2. So q, at the place of y you have to put 2. So q2 is equal to 3. It's y cubed. It's 2 cubed minus 4 multiplied by 2 plus 11, right? So this gives you 3 multiplied by 8 minus 8 plus 11, and from here you get 24 minus 8 plus 11. This gives you what? 24 minus 8 is 16 plus 11 is 27. In this case, you have to put at the place of t, you have to put a. Now if you pay attention to this one, actually at the place of t, when you put a, you are actually putting another variable, because a is itself a variable. So p a is equal to 4 a raised to the power of 4 plus 5 a cubed minus a squared plus 6. So this is 4 a raised to the power of 4 plus 5 a raised to the power of 3 minus a squared plus 6. So this is the answer. In these two cases, you have actually, the outcome is actually in the form of a number, but in this case it itself is a polynomial. And why? Because you are actually putting another variable at the place of t. If fx is equal to 2x cubed minus 13x squared plus 17x plus 12, find f2 and f minus 3. f2 means that at the place of x you have to put 2. So this is 2 multiplied by 2 cubed minus 13 multiplied by 2 squared plus 17 multiplied by 2 plus 12. This gives you 2 multiplied by 8 minus 13 multiplied by 4 plus 17 multiplied by 2 is 34 plus 12. This gives you 16 minus 52 plus 34 plus 12, and if you solve this you get 16 minus 52 is 36 minus 36 minus 36 plus 34 is minus 2, and minus 2 plus 12 is 10. When you put f at the place of x, you have to put minus 3. So f minus 3 means that 2 multiplied by minus 3 whole cubed minus 13 minus 3 whole squared plus 17 multiplied by minus 3 plus 12. This gives you 3 minus 3 cubed means minus 27 minus 13 minus 3 squared means 9 plus 17 minus 17 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 51. So this becomes minus 51, and this is 12. So 2 multiplied by minus 27 is minus 54. Minus 54 minus 9 times 3 is 27 and 2 117 minus 51 plus 12. So minus 54 minus 117 means this is 100 minus 171. Then minus 171 minus 51 means minus 172, and minus 222. Minus 222 plus 12 is minus 210. So this is the answer in this case, and 10 was the answer in this case.